I'm the boss with the juice. I'll give you everything I've got to get moving, but leave your lights on overnight and see if I care. I'm cold-blooded and I don't do second chances. I'm the middle manager. Nothing happens until I say so. I'm small, but if I decide to flake out, you're not going anywhere but the bus stop. Treat my key with respect, partner. I'm the heavy lifter. I take that tiny signal and turn it into a literal clunk of authority. Don't keep clicking me. If we aren't turning over, I'll overheat and quit faster than a city slicker on a ranch. I'm the muscle. I turn explosions into motion. I work hard for 3 seconds, then I nap for 3 hours. Give me a bad ground wire and I'll just sit here and hum a sad tune. I'm the teeth. I jump into the ring gear, do the dirty work, and get out before things get hot. Don't try to engage me while the engine's already running unless you like the sound of a metal blender. I'm the big wheel. I'm heavy, I'm steady, and I've got 1,000 teeth. If you chip one of them, prepare to pull the whole transmission just to say hello to me. We're the nervous system. If we're green, crusty, or loose, your mighty engine is just a very expensive paperweight. Keep us clean or enjoy your walk in the rain.